What's going on YouTube? Landon Huffman here, back with another video. It's a glorious day here at Huffman Racing, and I've got another race shop restoration video on tap for you today. We are pressure washing the race shop, the floor, getting it as clean as possible, moving everything out, and kind of seeing what space we've got to work with. We're moving a bunch of stuff around, getting the back room cleaned out, and yeah, we've got a lot on tap today. So thank you guys for clicking on today's upload. Really appreciate you guys being here. Let's go ahead and get right into it.
What are you doing, Landon?
This is not OSHA approved. Oh yeah, Rich.
Oh yeah.
The issue here is the forklift has no brakes. It's a very delicate process.
Yeah, he's not forklift certified. Go ahead and bring him down on the farm, buddy. Little reverse, Terry. What you got, Rich? Stop block.
You think it's gonna hold it back?
No, just making him feel better. Go forward with your forks. Easy, you gotta pick up. All right, what we getting next?
Guess that. It's a ghost.
Hey,
Nice of you to show up, Flynn.
Yeah, showed up today.
What is this? One time in the last month?
Yeah, I've been really busy. Sports, basketball, baseball, school work.
I hear excuses.
Excuses, yeah, but me and you already talked about that.
I'm trying to get him to come to my house. I'll go to a ball game like every night of the week. Every night of the week he's got a ball game.
We have ran out of propane. No more propane, so we gotta get that figured out so we can move this big bastard out of the way. And then the only other thing we got left really is that rack, but we probably end up gonna leave it there and just pressure wash around it. But we have moved a lot out so far. All right, where you headed, Flynn?
Well, dipshit ran out of propane, so we gotta go get this sucker filled.
Why? Why do you have to go get it filled?
Because Landon is bitching because I haven't been over here in a while.
So what? That's your punishment, right?
Supposedly that is my punishment, yes.
So he's got to go get it filled for us.
So I gotta go get this filled for him. I don't know why.
You do know why.
But
It's punishment for not being here. So thank you, Flynn. I appreciate it. I'll see you in about an hour.
Yep. Yeah, I can go through there.
All right. Look at all this space. Damn miracle. This is going to take a while. I mean, the floor is really uneven, so I've got the wire brush broom. Seth's got a squeegee, and while Rich is pressure washing everything out, me and Seth are just trying to push the water in a direction so that we can at least get it flowing and not get it running into anything. But it's looking a lot better. It's just, damn, it's gonna take a while. Hello, RJ.
Hi.
How we doing? Glad you can make it. We're making good progress.
Slow but good.
Yeah. Bye, Seth.
Bye, Landon.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Coming tomorrow?
Yes, we got to get my squeegee.
All right. Oh, you're just coming to get your squeegee.
Yeah.
That's not very shop foreman of you.
Might stay a little bit.
All right. Hope you have a good dinner.
Bye.
Bye. Get that thing in here. So we have moved the bandsaw to here, metal rack on this side. Originally we had it over here, but we felt like it's just gonna be better to have it there. Put the press back here. I'm gonna get all those tires out too this week. And then we have a metal table, or a metal working table that we're gonna put right here as well, but looks 10 times better. And we still have a path to our shitter. Rich, you were the real hero today.
MVP again.
Yep. You're MVP, don't even know it.
I expect a little extra on my paycheck.
Screaming on that.
Oh, you don't get paid, RJ?
Hell no, I don't get paid. Paid in a hard time.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. We got a lot accomplished today. Shout out to Rich, who was MVP of the day, of course, per usual. But if you haven't already, make sure you go check out my Daytona vlogs. Day 1 and Day 2 from the ARCA test with Mullins Racing is up on the channel. Both videos are doing really well.
Everybody needs to check out our podcast, Huffman Racing, on all your major platforms, and check out our YouTube channel, Huffman Racing on the YouTubes.
So we do have the second YouTube channel, more for the podcast clips, but we may put some other team-related things on there, so go check that out. It's just youtube.com/Huffman Racing. But thank you guys so much for all the support. We've been doing really well here on the channel. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you in the next video. We're out.